Hi, today I will help you make your pause menu, that you will be able to customize it as you want. First, start with creating Canvas. After that, create a panel that will store all UI needed for our pause menu. Next, we will create text saying that the game is paused, and two buttons. One for opening settings, and the second for returning to menu. So now, let's create a script. First thing we will do is defining GameObject for panel in script. In update function, we will be checking if player clicked escape button. Now we need function for showing pause menu. To show pause menu, we will use setActive function and give it parameter opposite to current state. After that, we will create function for loading other scenes. But for that, we will need to import scene management component. Last thing to do is put our function in if statement. Now just drag everything to right place and we are done. So now let's test it. As you see, everything works fine, so it's the end for this tutorial. I also recommend checking my other videos.